Departure American 568, we're coming out of 3200 for 8,000, steering 290.
American 568, Phoenix departure, radar contact, climb and maintain, flight level 210.
Maintain flight level 210, American 568. American 568, what kind of weather do you show up ahead of us? We see, we see some pretty good weather. Are you going to take us out to the south or north?
Be on the north side, American 568, I'm showing moderate precipitation, present position for the next 30 miles north on your flight.
Yeah, we're getting moderate turbulence right now.
American 568, I'll return to the north here in just a moment. American 568, fly heading 360.
360, American 568. Going to the north is not good for 568. We should have gone to the south. Flying us right into some bad weather.
American 568, I'm showing the worst of the weather to the south and to the west of you there. If you need further deviations left or right, just let me know.
Okay. Hey, American 568, we're got hit by lightning pretty good. We're going to come back, declare an emergency.
American 568, Roger. American 568, maintain 9,000.
Call right now, let's go at least 11.
American 568, altitude your discretion, just let me know where you want to level off.
All right. American 568 needs to come back left 330.
American 568, left of course is approved, and say altitude climbing 2.
So we're going to stop at 12,000, level on right now.
American 568, Roger, climbing 330, maintain 12,000.
Maintain 120 and coming on to 330.
American 568, maintain 12,000, traffic 1 o'clock at 8 miles, descending southbound Airbus, leaving 1000 on the arrival. Let me know when you can take a turn back towards the east.
1000 and American 568.
American 568, just verify level 12, 12,000.
Yes, so we're level 12,000, American 568.
American 568, fighting 360, I'll start working you back around.
Okay, coming back 360, American 568.
American 568, turn right, fly heading a 150, right turn to a 150.
All right, right turn to 150, American 568.
American 568, you're going to need to burn fuel, you're going to be okay there on the descent?
Nah, we're okay. We're going to come back around. We don't need to burn fuel. Let's get set up back to ILS to runway 26.
American 568, when you have a moment, just need to know the amount of fuel you have and souls on board. 568, Roger, and when able, fly heading 170.
Coming back around 170, American 568.
American 568, fly heading 130.
Yeah, American 568, we've got 110 souls on board. Looks like we've got 3.5 hours of fuel.
American 568, thanks. Contact approach 128.65.
568. Approach American 568 is level 12,000. We need to turn probably to the east here for weather ahead.
568, deviation, you need to go to the east, is that what you said?
Well, we got something up there about 10 miles. Doesn't look very good, so we can go east or west, but just we don't want to go straight ahead.
American 568, not a problem. I've had a United that just went through some stuff to the southwest, so fly heading 200. If that works for you, let me know. 200 heading, and I'll get you inbound here momentarily.
All right, 200 and coming right to American 568, thank you.
American 568, fly heading 220. Probably I'll be on that heading for about 15 miles, then I'll cut you to the south. It might end up crossing you over the field just to get you away from the weather and get you into some clearer area.
Work out fine. Coming right to 220.
568, send a pilot's discretion, maintain 10,000.
68.
Okay, we'll plan on crossing the runway for 26
and we're descending out of 12,000 now, so 10,000 American 568.
568, thank you. Center field winds right now, 310 at 21, gust 35. 68, I do think you can expect some light to moderate rain and very occasional moderate chop as well over the next 15 miles.
Okay, sounds good for American 568, and that's what we're showing on the radar here.
American 568, when you are able, fly heading 180, descend and maintain 8,000. American 568, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 7,000. Looks like you'll be past the rain at about 5 miles.
68.
Okay.
130 down to 5,000, American 568.
American 568, thanks, approach. Good evening. Expect runway 26, descend and maintain 4,000. American 568, turn left heading 350, descend and maintain 3,000. True, 4 miles from Jaggle, maintain 3,000 until established on localizer, include ILS runway 26 approach. American 568, contact Phoenix Tower 134.85, 3485. Have a good night.
Phoenix Tower, American 568 with you, ILS for runway 26.
American 568, Phoenix Tower, be advised, fire command is on this frequency, runway 26, clear to land.
All right, appreciate that. Clear to land, 26, American 568.
Airport wind 330 at 18, gust 37, areas of moderate to extreme precipitation over the airport.
American 568, thank you.
Airport wind 310 at 17, gust 37.
American 568, thank you. And if you're going to have this truck's going to follow us over to the gate, Bravo 9.
Fire command, did you copy? Fire command, thank you. And the next aircraft to land, 3 mile final, is the alert aircraft. American 568, turn left when able, left on Bravo, and you can taxi Bravo, Charlie 11, and taxi to Point November, and I'm sure the vehicles will follow you.
Bravo, Charlie 11, over, and we'll look for the truck, American 568.